morning. This is a surprise. Well, I didn't know this was going down this morning.
Well, you're lucky you end up with it. I'm going to say, me name the around yesterday, because not you come see this position. Because we have it the other day from the Saturday we brought it.
From the guy that brings it.
Yeah.
Where did you guys get this from?
Morant Bay. Yeah.
Just at the seashore?
No, man.
No, guys, bring
don't
it.
give me for 500 Jamaican dollars, right, man. They mad, you know, Matthew. I the best one, this one.
Nice.
The best one. And then, yeah, I just put them in anything. You see, if I will cook all soup all tonight, if I'm a soup thing, tomorrow we can cook all some of them in a soup.
Ooh. So what the hell is it? It's a kind of seaweed?
Yeah, seaweed.
Okay. Now I've seen this in drinks that are made before with peanut and stuff and...
No, another one.
That's a different one?
Other one there.
Ah.
They have so many different type of them, you know. This other one, you cook your food with this throw some idea in there, you know.
That's really crazy.
Yeah, man. These are the 40 leg with the Santa Pete type, you know. See?
Yeah.
So it's Santa Pete. You see this alone, you just throw it all in your food you cook, man. All the soup, everything just melt out in there, man. So you see this? We can cook it all this morning and now, you know. And get it to drink, you know. Yeah, man. You drink it before you go, man. You check out this before you go.
Yeah. You know I like the moss.
Have you had this on yet?
Oh, the Irish moss? Yeah. Not from him. That's what I'm waiting
This
for.
is a whole
this is going to be a whole different... You know, I had the American style. So this is going to be Ross Kitchen style.
Yeah, man. Irish mash this. A dog rice. Me get it from. Guy Amaran be into fishing in, you know.
That's a pretty good price for 500.
Yeah, man. Me always buy from the mill. See me have some dry one there too. See how it's still. So them clean and pretty. So when they wash, the sun will catch them, you know.
Oh, wow. They
So
totally change color.
Ah, so them are going to change.
Yeah. So when I dry out.
Yeah, man, them are going to dry.
Madame Bono.
So you can use them all the same way, it's just it lasts longer. And
Yeah, let them dry now, man. I dry me, I go dry them. Then can't stay up here all here, you know, brother.
Wow.
And I change no more. I dry me, I go dry them pan the zinc out there. Them this are the Santa P1, brother. This alone can cook any soup. So right now, when me have the time, I have to go just pick off all them, you know.
You have to do a lot of cleaning on them too?
And me clean them, you know, use them too.
Or you find a little lobster in it sometimes?
No. Lobster. Lobster.
You like all of a sudden,
I would love to find a lobster in there, man.
Yeah, man. I look like one handful of this. Can buy a whole heap of stuff, man.
Make trouble.
Yeah, man. Seaweed. Want to make trouble with it? Make trouble. Make enough baby. Is it enough?
Yeah.
Whoa, is it enough?
I make no trouble.
Enough trouble, enough baby. Santa P1 this, you know. That is the wickedest Irish madman. All the one when the sea. Yeah, man. It's not take no time to make baby. Is it enough up?
wow.
People. You know, see that look? You know, see that look?
Man, do people ever put that in roots if it's so good for...
Everything, me say, man, me put it in a man. Remember me tell you better. Give me that, guys. Do it part.
It's Junior.
Bless it.
What's up? And I see someone who's being pretty quiet right now.
Bad rat.
His name's...
Bad rat.
He named Bad rat.
Changed it. Bad rat.
Okay. It's pretty... It's a pretty cool name too.
Bad rat.
Yeah.
Bad rat now.
Yeah.
Bad rat dad.
Look at something.
Have you ever had moss before?
I think I've had it in the can. So I have not had the real deal.
Wait.
Yeah.
Look at that's on something.
This is good to have both of you here to experiment with me
Oh
and do taste testing.
Great.
It's gonna be excellent.
From Ross himself.
Yes. Rasta on fire.
General.
Yeah, man. Rush and fire. Rush and heat. Rush and heat and fire.
The sea moss, the sea moss.
You eat it raw? Ever? No. Man, it looks wicked.
You know, my son it a go now, you know.
Let it cook out a bit.
No, sun, man.
But the sun heats it up so much.
Yeah, the sun.
Yeah, that's it.
You said, look. Said. Look.
Yeah, man. So this one's a good one for the reptile too. you
Yes,
say.
man, it's a good one, man. For come on to them weeks. You know this. No fucking you do you drink this, you know. No fucking you stop.
Well, maybe instead of the Cersei, I'm gonna take this home.
No fucking you get, man. If you want fuck, you have to drink this. I deal with the man who you see I prepare it right now, you know. You come to Jamaica, you get some sex with this. It's good for you, everything, you know. It can make baby, you know, in no time to blood clot, Matthew. Trust me. No time, man.
Well, I'm gonna be very careful drinking this.
Oh my God. And that's the amount of stuff, man.
Yeah.
So they make them look how it's take out, you know. People that look and say, you know, look like how some of them take the road simple like that, man. That man going in drink the roots. Reptile get up there. And they say, no, man. Yeah, man, explode, Baba. Blow up.
It definitely looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Man, it's a really interesting color. Well, Junior, how long you gotta lay it out for? Just for the day?
Yeah, man, the whole day, man, boss.
You want it to turn white like the other one?
Yeah, man. All day, all day. All day. So, burn it up. All day, my boss.
Yes, sir. Get away from the moss. Morning.
Morning.
Leave it. Good on, sir.
Get away from the moss. You heathens. You think they're gonna eat it if we don't watch it?
Take it up and put it through.
You gonna put it in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, man, people have to don't want me to.
I don't want to eat
I don't know if they might eat it. I never see them eat it.
I see
I don't want to get it to me down the